Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general reading on no contact for Pisces. Alright, so as I said, this is a general reading. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Description for reaching contacts is given in the description if you want to reach out to me. Alright. In this reading, we will see the overall current energy or energy, person's energy, and the advice for you, Pisces. So let's see what the cards have for you, Pisces. Alright. The current energy in this situation. The person you are not in contact with, the person is in your mind, or even now, every now and then the person thoughts comes up in your mind and you kind of feel stuck in this connection, in this no contact connection. What does this person feel for you, Pisces? What are the overall energies here? Overall energy in this connection. Okay, person is not sure what do they want in their life. They are struggling between making a choice, maybe struggling between work life and personal life, maybe struggling between where they have to make a choice and they are not sure what do they want in their life, and they are dancing in the same loop. For some of you, I strongly feel there is a choice to be made between two person. It can be you or the other person. In total, 3 people involved. For some of you, very few of you. Alright. Let's see. What does a person think about you here, Pisces? What does a person think about you, Pisces? Whoa. Okay. What is happening? Okay, what does a person feel for you, Pisces? Okay. I think something happened between you guys where there was an ego clash, conflict, disagreements, arguments happened, and now this person is even thinking whether they should even reach out to you or not. They feel like either you or they were defensive in this, whatever disagreement happened, trying to prove your own point and putting the other person down. Alright, let's see what does this person feel for you, Pisces. What are their feelings towards you? What are their feelings towards you? Okay, they feel they have lost a connection. They feel they have lost a connection where they were, maybe they did not give their best and they are in pain. They felt emotional connection with you, but because of whatever happened, they feel they have lost a connection. There are emotions, but they feel that it's over. Yeah, I will take these two. I don't know why. I feel like they wanted something good with this connection to happen, but now I think they feel like whatever happened with them here or with you here, it was not the actual thing to be meant, and one of you in this connection needs to come out of this victim mindset that nothing is in my hand, I cannot come over it, I cannot get over it, and it's causing me pain. It's like you need to change your perspective and see things from a different angle. Everything is in your hand. Whenever you want, you need to set yourself free from this mental cage and focus on your growth. Okay, let's see why they have gone silent here. Why has this person gone silent in this connection, Pisces? Why has this person gone silent? I think this person is also, as I said, either you or this person. Here there is another party involved. Maybe they are just, not reaching out to you directly, but they are also, kind of watching you from a distance, maybe watching you through social media. Also, for some of you, they are, open to, kind of open-minded and maybe looking for something else. Not from this connection, maybe from the other person. Or the, like kind of open to other options basically. Why to go around the bushes? Let me see it. It's straightforward. Maybe a bit painful, but yeah, Lovers card here. So this person is kind of, having, I think for you also, they are kind of, they were having, with the emotions, they were good with you, but they are looking for something at a more passionate level. They may be attracted to somebody else also, maybe in their workplace or somebody else, maybe in a social media or somewhere. They are attracted towards somebody else. Attracted as in physical attraction they might feel for somebody else. There is definitely another person, either in their, they are already dealing with, or they are, thinking to explore some more options. I will clarify the Lovers card here. Let's clarify the Lovers card. Yeah, Page of Wands, Page of Swords. Not handling things at a, from a very mature energy, but being very, open to new things, open to new options to explore even more, and not giving too much or complete attention only to this connection, but rather open for more options, more, opportunities, and ready to see if there is other thing involved. The World card. The World card. They feel like whatever is required in this connection, they have everything, and they are now kind of, happy and complete in their own world, and whatever they want, they will get it, and they have everything, but it's somewhere like they know what are they doing. It's not something they don't know about it. Let's see if there is a connection or communication coming in their life. So whatever they are doing, it's not, something they are doing unknowingly. It's like they are very much aware of what they are doing. It's not something, happening all of a sudden. No, it's not. It's something which is well observed, well analyzed, and then whatever is happening is happening. This is for you, I feel, Pisces. You need to change your perspective. You need to get out of this energy of focusing on lack. Change your perspective and grow in your life. Okay, set yourself free. Let's see what is, if the communication is going to happen with this person, Pisces. If this person is going to reach out in next 10 to 15 days, Pisces. Will this person reach out to you in next 10 to 15 days, Pisces? Even if they are, I think they will, may not be in next 10 to 15 days, but even some more time they might take. But even if it is happening, it will be, not with a very good intention of, as a concern. I don't see they are reaching out with the concern. Sorry. I don't see they are reaching out with a concern. Rather, they are just reaching out to see how you are doing without them in their life. Not a good energy. Not a good energy. Yep. Advice for you here is to focus on self-love, self-healing. Okay. You need to come out of this pain. Whatever is hurting you, you need to come out of this pain. Focus on self-love and self-healing. Do things which makes you happy. You may be feeling emotionally drained and tired, too much of pain you might be going through right now, Pisces, but the advice for you here is to heal yourself. Okay, love yourself, heal yourself, because once you start loving yourself and you are healed, only then you will attract the right person in your life. Okay, so this is not a easy thing to do, I know, but you have to focus on self-love. Just see whatever is hurting you, just say no to it. Focus on your growth, focus on your healing. Do things which makes you happy. It can be a very small thing, maybe doing something or going on a small trip or something which will help you to heal or come out of this situation for the time being, so that you can have more clarity on how you can work on your own self and come out of this painful situation. Okay, so focus on yourself, focus on your well-being, your own happiness, your healing, and then think of other things. All right, because once you are emotionally healed, you are loving yourself, you kind of start attracting that abundance, that love in your life. Okay, so focus on that. So that's the advice for you here, Pisces. So if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.